outside the umbilical stump. You have to hold the umbilical stump between your thumb and palpation. Measure it for the 6 seconds. Multiple. Sorry. 6 seconds. It is about
सील प्रॉपर करो, प्रेस करना है, इधर से लीक नहीं होना चाहिए.
हाँ.
वेरी गुड.
आता पहिला कॉम्प्रेशन दाखवा. दोन्ही सायमल्टेनियसली शिकवू शकतो ना एखादा कॉम्प्रेशन. Apply like this, it will not go immediately.
In yourself. What do I mean by in yourself? Meaning you yourself will be understood. In yourself.
Stimulation is very good. It should not be like this. It should be the same oxygen will go to the lungs, right? So whenever you are giving alone ventilation,
you can use anything, even blood transfusion for nothing. How do you confirm it? We do 2 things. So you confirm the aspiration. This needle should not be even for air. It's patent. It's illegal.
like correctly.